Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 403 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK. And let me show you another code, which is pretty similar to the previous one. It is *#07#. And thanks to this code, we are able to enter regulatory and safety information, so we can check the exact model of our device, the manufacturer, address, the IMEI number again, and Bluetooth declaration ID. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you the last code. It is *##426 ###. And here we are in the diagnostics, so we can check the server host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status. And as you can see, we've got much more information. So for example, the last being heartbeat or HP algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.